Could your next soulmate be crafted by code? A perfect match engineered by algorithms and artificial intelligence? Imagine a world where love is no longer left to chance, but orchestrated by data scientists and machine learning models. Welcome to the fascinating realm of AI-powered romance, where the language of love is written in ones and zeros, and your perfect partner might be just a click away. In this digital age, dating apps have become the new matchmakers, analyzing ages, interests, and habits to predict chemistry with uncanny accuracy. Behind the scenes, data scientists work tirelessly, adjusting compatibility, weights for hobbies, travel preferences, and favorite films, fine-tuning the formula for love. Every swipe, every pause on a profile photo feeds into real-time feedback loops, constantly refining the matchmaking process to bring you closer to your ideal partner. As technology advances, some users are even turning to AI for relationship advice, blurring the lines between human intuition and algorithmic wisdom. Platforms are learning from chat tempos and word choices, crafting personalized icebreakers to spark conversations and kindle connections between potential matches. Critics warn that these scripted greetings may erode genuine spontaneity, placing authentic interactions with carefully calculated exchanges. To address concerns, some apps now feature explainable AI layers, revealing the shared interests and compatibility factors behind each suggested match. In an era of data breaches, quantum-secure protocols are being implemented to protect user information, ensuring your romantic preferences remain private. Despite sophisticated algorithms, glitches can still occur, leading to awkward mismatches and occasional ghosting, reminding us that love remains unpredictable. Ethicists raise concerns about hidden prejudices in training datasets, potentially perpetuating biases in the digital dating landscape. To combat this, some apps are implementing measures to boost profiles of underrepresented groups, striving for a more inclusive matchmaking experience. Imagine attending an event where an AI scheduler has matched attendees based on personality metrics, creating opportunities for meaningful connections. Live feedback sliders allow users to rate their matches on the spot, providing instant data to refine future suggestions. However, the constant pressure to rate and be rated can make dating feel like a series of performance reviews, adding a new layer of stress to romance. Surveys reveal that many users reject several AI-suggested matches before finding a spark, highlighting the complexity of human attraction. Yet some couples credit AI introductions for saving them years of trial and error, leading to successful relationships they might never have found otherwise. Researchers are now mapping romance trajectories, analyzing sentiment and response speeds to better understand the evolution of digital relationships. Premium tiers on dating platforms offer insights into who's most likely to respond yes to your advances, giving users a competitive edge in the digital dating game. Virtual avatars are hosting lip-sync dating events guided by AI scripts, creating unique and entertaining ways for singles to connect. Emotion detection tools adjust match feeds in real time, responding to users' moods and preferences to optimize the dating experience. Some platforms are offering blind matches to preserve an element of mystery, allowing personality to shine before appearance comes into play. Dating coaches are adapting their strategies, teaching users how to optimize their bios and profiles for algorithmic success. Open-source extensions are injecting playful prompts into chats, adding a touch of spontaneity to algorithmically driven conversations. Academic forums are abuzz with debates on algorithmic affection, exploring the ethical implications and psychological effects of AI-driven romance. Policymakers are drafting transparency rules for data-driven matches, aiming to protect users and ensure fair practices in the digital dating world. Some platforms are introducing ethical modes that pause data collection after initial pairing, allowing relationships to develop organically. Hackathons are challenging developers to create more inclusive matchmaking engines, pushing the boundaries of AI and romance. Virtual reality simulations are being developed to prepare users for real-world chemistry tests, bridging the gap between digital matching and in-person connection. As we delve deeper into this brave new world of algorithmic love, it's important to consider the code behind our romantic choices. Are we outsourcing our hearts to machines? Or are we simply leveraging technology to find meaningful connections in an increasingly complex world? The answer may lie in striking a balance between digital assistance and human intuition, recognizing that while AI can open doors, it's up to us to walk through them. As dating apps evolve, they're becoming more than just matchmakers. They're relationship coaches, offering advice on everything from first date etiquette to long-term compatibility. Machine learning models are now capable of predicting relationship success rates based on initial interactions, giving users insight into their romantic prospects. But can an algorithm truly capture the ineffable spark of chemistry that defines human attraction? Or are we reducing love to a series of data points? Some users report feeling overwhelmed by the sheer number of potential matches, leading to decision paralysis in the face of seemingly endless options. To combat this, certain apps are implementing limits on daily matches, encouraging users to focus on quality connections rather than quantity. The gamification of dating through points systems and rewards is changing how we approach romance, turning the search for love into a strategic game. Critics argue that this approach commodifies human relationships, turning potential partners into products to be evaluated and discarded. Supporters counter that AI matchmaking simply accelerates the natural selection process, helping users find compatible partners more efficiently. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it's beginning to factor in subtle cues like facial expressions in profile photos and linguistic patterns in bios. Some platforms are experimenting with voice-based matching, analyzing speech patterns and tones to predict compatibility beyond text-based profiles. The rise of niche dating apps catering to specific interests, or communities, is challenging the one-size-fits-all approach of major platforms. Specialized apps often employ more targeted algorithms, focusing on factors uniquely important to their user base. The integration of augmented reality in dating apps allows users to visualize potential matches in their environment before meeting in person. Privacy concerns continue to loom large, with users questioning how their intimate data is being used and protected by dating platforms. Some companies are responding by offering decentralized dating apps that use blockchain technology to give users more control over their data. The concept of digital pheromones is emerging, where AI attempts to replicate the subconscious chemical attractions that occur in physical encounters. Ethical debates are intensifying around the use of deep learning to predict sexual orientation or relationship preferences from profile data. Some users are pushing back against algorithmic matching altogether, opting for randomized connections to recreate the serendipity of real-world encounters. The psychological impact of constant evaluation and rejection in online dating is becoming a topic of concern for mental health professionals. Dating apps are starting to incorporate mental health resources and support systems directly into their platforms to address these issues. The rise of AI chatbots as dating practice partners is helping shy or inexperienced users build confidence before engaging with real matches. Cross-platform data sharing between dating apps and social media is creating more comprehensive user profiles, but raising privacy concerns. Some apps are introducing collaborative filtering, similar to Netflix recommendations, suggesting matches based on the preferences of similar users. The use of AI to detect and prevent catfishing and scams is becoming more sophisticated, enhancing safety in online dating. Virtual date ideas generated by AI are helping couples stuck in a rut or separated by distance to maintain connection and novelty. The integration of financial compatibility metrics is becoming more common, with some apps factoring in credit scores and spending habits. AI-driven relationship forecasting tools are emerging, attempting to predict long-term compatibility and potential areas of conflict. The concept of digital consent is evolving, with apps developing clearer frameworks for what information users agree to share and how it's used. Some platforms are experimenting with AI mediators to help resolve conflicts or misunderstandings between matched users. The use of sentiment analysis in messaging is allowing apps to gauge the emotional temperature of conversations and offer timely advice. Ethical AI dating assistants are being developed to help users navigate the complexities of online dating while maintaining authenticity. The integration of DNA matching in dating apps is raising both excitement and ethical concerns about the role of genetics in romance. As AI becomes more prevalent in matchmaking, there's a growing movement to preserve the human element in the search for love. Virtual reality first dates are gaining popularity, allowing users to connect in immersive environments without leaving their homes. The development of haptic feedback technology is bringing a physical dimension to digital dating, simulating touch across distances. AI-generated pickup lines and conversation starters are becoming more context-aware, adapting to individual personalities and preferences. The use of predictive texting in dating app messages is sparking debate about authenticity and the role of technology in communication. Some apps are introducing AI-driven relationship health scores, tracking communication patterns and engagement levels over time. The concept of digital love languages is emerging, with AI helping users understand and adapt to their match's preferred modes of expression. Augmented reality filters for video chats are allowing users to present idealized versions of themselves, raising questions about authenticity. The integration of AI with wearable technology is enabling real-time feedback during dates, from detecting mutual attraction to suggesting conversation topics. As dating apps become more sophisticated, users are grappling with the balance between convenience and the unpredictable magic of human connection. The future of romance may lie in harmonizing the precision of algorithms with the ineffable qualities that make love a uniquely human experience. In this brave new world of AI matchmakers, the question remains, will technology enhance our capacity for love, or will it fundamentally change what it means to connect? As we navigate this digital landscape of love, it's crucial to remember that behind every algorithm is a human heart seeking connection. The true test of AI in romance may not be its ability to find perfect matches, but its capacity to foster genuine human connections in an increasingly digital world. In the end, while algorithms may guide us towards potential partners, it's our human capacity for empathy, understanding, and love that will truly determine the success of our relationships. As we close this exploration of love by algorithm, we invite you to reflect on your own experiences with digital dating. How has technology shaped your search for connection? The future of romance is being written in code, but it's up to us to decide how much of our hearts we are willing to entrust to the algorithms of love.